I present the Ingco ING-MMA2006 200, a single-phase inverter MMA welding machine. The machine is a high-quality product from Ingco. Subscribe to the channel because there will soon be a lot of videos about how this welding machine works. The hot start function ensures an easy start of the process by automatically increasing the welding current at the beginning. The Ingco ING-MMA2006 200, a single-phase MMA inverter welder, is manufactured using quality-assured materials and advanced techniques to live up to the standards in this extremely difficult field. Safety for the user and an even high-quality seam are ensured by the anti-stick function, thanks to the decrease in current when soldering the electrode. The materials used to manufacture the welding machine come from the most reliable and official suppliers, chosen after detailed market research. Ingco products are widely recognized on the market for their high quality. Share this video on your page or send it to a friend. I will be very grateful. The system uses advanced IGBT transistors and is equipped with overheat protection, which extends life and safety during operation. The fan allows the heating temperature to be lowered, preventing the motor from overheating and prolonging the working process. Equipped with a digital display, making it easy to control the working process.